Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by writing the function f, x, clearly and simplifying any algebra. This makes differentiation easier. Once written, pick an initial guess x0 near the root you expect, because convergence depends on it. Now check that f is differentiable on an interval around x0. If not, pick a different function form or interval. Make sure to decide whether you'll compute f, x, symbolically or approximate it numerically, since that choice sets your next concrete steps. Now compute f, x. Apply power, product, chain, and quotient rules where appropriate. Simplify terms to prevent algebraic errors. If symbolic differentiation is impractical, approximate f with a finite difference like f, x plus h, fx, /h using a small h such as 1e6, just be mindful of round off. Once you have f either exact or approximate, evaluate both f, Roman 11, and f, Roman 11, at your current Roman 11. These two numbers drive the Newton update step that follows. Perform the Newton iteration. Compute Roman 11 plus 1 equals Roman 11 f, Roman 11 / f, Roman 11, and then update Roman 11. Once done, check convergence with Roman 11 plus 1 Roman 11 tolerance or f, Roman 11 plus 1 tolerance, and cap the number of iterations to avoid endless loops. If the method stalls, diverges, or f is near 0, change your initial guess x0. Reduce h if you used a finite difference, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.